Parsing through the data you collect with Qualaroo can be overwhelming, but with our Statwing integration, it's easy to see data at a glance. To use the integration, simply go to View Responses next to any survey. In the right corner above the overview, click on View Report in Statwing. The first thing you'll want to do is describe your data set. Click on the individual options you want to see or use the drop-down at the top to select all of them. Once you have your data points selected, click on Describe at the top. Depending on the category of your data set, Statwing can display the information in a number of ways. What's really powerful is the ability to relate different points of data to see if there's a statistical significance on how people respond to your survey. For this example, I want to see if my customer's plan type has any weight on how they respond to my survey. I'm going to select all the questions from my survey as well as the plan option. I'm going to place the key icon next to plan since that's the variable I want all other data points to relate to. As you can see from the results, there's a strong statistical relationship between the plan someone is on and the responses to my first question. One of the things Statwing doesn't do right out of the box is cluster free-form answers into a usable format, but there's a way around that. With the responses to our What do you love most question, I can see right off the bat that people are writing a few positive things. I want to cluster these things together so I can get a word count. To do this, I need to create a new variable to help me group words and phrases together. Start by clicking on the Create button, which is just below the Relate option in the panel to the left. You want to start by giving it a name. I'm choosing Easy since that's the word I want to group. Then click on the Variable by Filters option from the tabs. First, I want to name the top column Yes to indicate that there's a word match. Then I'm going to select the question I want to focus on, then Contains, and then I'm going to write the phrase Easy. If that word is missing, I'm going to write in No. Now after I save my variable, I want to describe it so it shows in my report. From here I can see how many write-ins contain the phrase I'm focused on and how many do not. While every survey is different, Statwing can help in most cases. If you're on a professional or enterprise plan, I encourage you to check out the integration. And if you get stuck at any point, you're welcome to reach out to the Qualaroo Success Team or Statwing Support Team. I can be reached at support@qualaroo.com, and to reach the folks over at Statwing, email contact@statwing.com. Thanks and happy surveying!